Hello guys, so today I'll do unboxing of this HiKiNS vacuum cleaner. It's a stick vacuum cleaner, and let's see if it works. So here's a filter, some attachment, more attachments, more attachment. Alright, let's see what is included in this package. So here's a vacuum cleaner. It has to be plugged in order to work. So they actually come with two filters. One is inside. Let's see how easy. Yeah, you just push it and it's open up, and it's easy to replace it. Very simple. And you can just remove it and dispose this trash from this area. Just push it back. Okay, make sure you put the filter all the way down. Okay, very well over here. So this area will be free to close. Okay, and you just push it in and it stays very well. And then if you want to attach this, you just put in and press over here, and it will slide in until you hear the clicks, and that's it. It will be on stick. So it's good for cleaning the cars, I guess, and the attachment can be attached right over here. You just insert it, and very simple. And it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, and over here is a brush actually on the angles. Interesting. 5, and then 6 attachments, and you can just attach this one as well. It's pretty simple. Yep. So let's check it out how it works. I already plugged it in. It's not very loud. Suction is pretty good. I'll put some leaves on, and let's see if it can eat. Yeah. It does work. The suction actually very good. And then you just open up and remove it, and everything right here. It works pretty good. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.